Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make those buffalo chicken egg rolls that you guys were so excited about from my December meal plan. So I will link those up there. We usually do rotisserie chicken and salad on my grocery shopping days. So I'm already going to have chicken. It's really not that big a deal to kind of add the egg rolls on to my plan for the day. See, you can monthly meal plan, but also be flexible. Alright guys, so this is everything that I need to make my buffalo chicken egg rolls. I use these egg roll wrappers, some blue cheese crumbles, some Frank's Red Hot, a bowl of water, some shredded rotisserie chicken, or you could use canned chicken. You can just bake some chicken breast and shred it. It's up to you. I just had this rotisserie chicken anyway, so I just shredded that. This Asian vegetable blend should be pretty good. I have a cookie sheet with some tin foil and then a cookie rack sitting on top of it, and then also some olive oil spray. The first thing I like to do is add my hot sauce to the shredded chicken. You can add as little or as much as you want. I like mine bright orange, and you just give it a good stir. So I like to lay my egg roll wrapper in a diamond shape and add the chicken towards the bottom of the diamond. And then you can add as little or as much chicken as you want, and add as little as much blue cheese as you want. And I add a little bit of the Asian salad to it. And then you want to fold up the bottom of the diamond and tuck in the sides and kind of roll as you go. And you want to add that water to the top like an envelope to seal the egg roll. And then I just set this aside as I make some more. Once you're done making them, you just spritz them with a little bit of olive oil, and then they go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. You can definitely use these in an air fryer or even a deep fryer. I don't have those, so I'm just using the oven. So here is the finished product. They cooked for about 15 minutes. This is not burnt, it's just crispy. It looks really dark, but it's not, I promise. And I usually use some Hidden Valley Ranch. Dip it in there. Hot. This video, please give it a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it.